Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just here to bring you some really exciting happy mail that I have received today from Laura. Trying to be careful here not to show the address, and it's a bit wobbly because it came in this huge box, weighed a ton, so literally I'm kind of stunned at the generosity really. So I'm lifting the camera at the moment, and then what I'm going to do is gradually kind of move the box out of the way and take the items out one at a time so that I'm not having to stand here. So if you just kind of bear with me for 2 minutes, in fact, what I'll do, pop the box to the side and then kind of get items out. I literally cannot believe it. It's just absolutely full to the brim of beautiful things. So some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous sheer fabric here. I mean, I have not looked through any of this stuff yet, and it was killing me to wait all day for someone to come in to watch my daughter so that I could do the video kind of without her running about and things. So beautiful fabric, lovely ribbon. Again, sheer organza with these, I don't know what you'd call those on the edge, but really beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's a lovely card here. I will open that later. Oh my gosh, look at these. Absolutely gorgeous. Pearls and little diamondy bits. Blingy, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I use pearls and trims and things all the time. I don't actually know where to start. The box is literally jam-packed. So there's some fabric and things down the side. So I'm going to have a look at that. Wow, beautiful fabric. Again, this gorgeous sheer fabric. Love this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks like a sleeve or something. Gorgeous. Thank you, Laura. This is all absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Beautiful, lovely. I love polka dots. Anything dotty. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, I love this. These little bits will be absolutely brilliant for my fabric tags that I make. So, and lots of florally kind of gorgeous patterns. I'm going to have to go through this quite fast because there's loads in this box, and I'll be here kind of all day boring everybody, kind of oohing and ahhing over everything. So I'm just going to kind of flick through quite quickly, and then I should go through it all in slower time afterwards. So I hope kind of, you know, that you're kind of all bearing with me. Literally my heart's kind of racing. It's so exciting. I love this one. What gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. Beautiful fabrics these are. More of that one that I love. Love this one. Look at this. That's beautiful. Love that. That is really pretty. And again, awesome for my fabric tags. Really, really pretty. Oh, I like this. Look at this. Oops. Oops, some more of these ones, look. Some more strips of these. It's making me feel all breathless. So, excuse my voice now, kind of quivering. Kind of literally making me be a bit out of breath with excitement. Look at this gorgeous fabric. It's kind of like a mystical, like waterfall, Japanesey kind of print. That is stunning, isn't it? That would make a lovely cover for a kind of oriental-y kind of themed journal. Love this. These are beautiful. Oh, I can just imagine this on those little kind of fabric items. Really, really pretty. Thank you. Oh, Laura, I can't believe you've put all this together for me. My gosh. That is so kind of you. Well, I can't believe how many kind people that there are out there. And this is, wow, like, I literally am beyond words. It's so generous. I love this black. And I love this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's so pretty, isn't it? Really vintagey looking. Really, really, really pretty. I love that. Love that. Love this one. Oh my gosh, has this got rabbits on it? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. Oh, I love this. I feel so spoiled. I am not going to know where to start with all of this. I love that. I love, love, love that. And I got some nursery rhyme books and things at the weekend, some more from a vintage shop, and that would just be perfect with some of those books. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. I love this pink lace. I love pink anyway, and obviously I love all things lace. So wow, thank you very, very much. Oh, where should I go next in my huge box of goodies? I shall have a look at all these. Oops, sorry, excuse me, I just knocked the camera. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pages here. I'm going to flick through these in slow time because there is quite a lot in the box, and I don't want to kind of, wow, I love that. I don't want to, oh my God, I love that side even more. I don't want to kind of be here holding everybody up while I'm looking, kind of, you know, when you see things for the, oh, I love this. Oh, these are gorgeous, gorgeous images. I wonder if I can scan these anyhow. I don't really know kind of what I'm doing with that. But I'm going to try and learn because, I mean, I have kind of photocopied things, but I'd love to be able to make some printables. I don't know really kind of how you do that, but right, I'm going to go through this in slower time later. Oh my God, I love this page. Oh, I love that image. Oh, I love this. Oh, that's a carpet sweeper. I thought it was some sort of kind of typewriter, but no, it's a carpet sweeper. Oh, gorgeous. Right, I'm going to have a look through these in slow time. Oh, look at this lovely magazine. All these, oh my gosh, look. I expected it to just be kind of birds. Oh my gosh, look at these pictures. They're lovely, aren't they? Lovely. Oh, I love these wintry ones. Aren't they gorgeous? Right, I'm going to stop now. Wow. Look at this gorgeous ribbon. That is fab trim. Thank you very much. Oh, Laura, I'm just literally, speechless. I'm literally speechless. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at this. This is kind of like coloured Hessian. We do not get this over here, or I certainly have not seen coloured Hessian. I've painted my own a few times just in ivory, but it's really hard to paint because it just soaks up the paint so much that you use a ton of paint for a very, very small area. And it all just obviously soaks through to whatever's underneath, so it's not ideal, but I love the results. So I mean, these are absolutely awesome. Thank you very much. Love this faux leather. Gorgeous, because I mean, those faux leather journals that everyone's doing at the moment, this will be amazing. Thank you very much. My gosh, I just can't believe that I literally feel like this is Christmas for me. It's so exciting. My gosh, an entire kind of box, which is just, love these boxes anyway, and super useful for obviously storing things in. Oh my gosh, what is all this? Are these like coffee filters or something? I don't actually know. I don't know whether these are coffee filters, but again, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you very much. Another box contained within here. So I will open this in a second. Oh, look, one of those cute yo-yo flower things. I love those. Oh, some gorgeous green cord fabric. That's lovely and would go perfectly with that green Hessian for a kind of nature journal. I love that. That's lovely. I don't really see that thick cord anywhere here. And again, I love this. Isn't that really beautiful? This is kind of like a, oh, it's like a pillowcase. Look. Isn't that stunning? That's gorgeous. Look at that lovely tree on there. I love this. Thank you very much. I'm going to have to do a nature themed journal. I have a few other things kind of that I'm kind of working on at the moment, and then I'm going to try and do a nature one. I love this. Laura, did you knit this yourself or crochet it, or yeah, I guess crochet. That's beautiful. I can't do anything like that, so that's really pretty. Thank you very much. Love that. And then there's another small box, which again, just love these boxes. So, oh my gosh, look at all these lovely things in here. Ah, always absolutely love bright colours. And green is my favourite colour, would you believe? So this kind of pea kind of green, or maybe jade green, is my favourite of all time. So I love these, and I will be cutting these kind of apart and using these again in kind of bright coloured kind of kids book journals. Oh, and all of these beautiful handmade items like what Laura sent me before. I love seeing other people's work because I love that stamp. It's so inspiring to kind of give you ideas and Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Is that actually clipped on? Or... oh, it is. They're loose. I wasn't sure whether they were glued together and the clip was just for kind of decoration. Look. Love that. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. So pretty. And that's a little kind of gem down there. Love that. Beautiful. Yeah, I love seeing other people's work because it's so great to give you ideas. Oh, I love this tag. Oh my gosh, look. That's just kind of on cardboard. It's got fabric trim, fabric corner, making a little pocket for this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous little flip out. Isn't that so cute? And then here, another pocket with this large kind of fabric bit. Oh, lace trim at the top. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm going to have a go at some of these. Oh, I love those. Aren't they fabulous? Oh, isn't that lovely? It's a loaf of bread. That's so cute. Whoops. I love all this. Oh, Laura, your stuff is so gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's so nice to just see other people's work because it can be so inspirational. And sometimes, you know, I hear other people say this, that you just sit at your desk and you kind of endlessly think, oh, what should I do? How should I do it? So this is great. I love, 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 love this cluster. That is gorgeous. I love it. Another one of those yo-yos. Love those. Oh, that's so cool. Love that. Thank you. And actually, Laura, I used some of that foam to mount some of my stamps the other day. I love that. That's super cool. To mount some of my stamps the other day, I know you said that you use it to layer up you know, kind of elements on the page and kind of make them stand up in 3D. But I used it to mount my stamps and my gosh, it's brilliant. It makes such a difference. And it's such good quality foam compared to what we get over here because funnily enough, I then ordered some myself because I thought, oh, it's really worth having. And it wasn't half such good quality. It was much flimsier. So yes, thank you. That's all being used currently. So oh, look at this. I'm not great with this. I think they call it eyelash trim. Not great at using it. I can't seem to get to grips with it for some reason. Oh, I love these paper clips with the bows round. They're so cute. Cute and fiddly to make, I would imagine. Oh, I like that one. That's a lovely one. Oh, I love that. How pretty is that? Love these little birds. They're gorgeous. I had a couple of those in the clusters that you sent me before. Love this. That's really nice. Oh my gosh, love this. And these boxes, absolutely fabulous. Thank you very much. Now, I also have a gift in here from your mum which says open last. So I should be opening that last. Oh, gorgeous. This pearl trim, but it's actually pink, which is so pretty. And I don't think I've seen that here either. So that's gorgeous. Thank you very much. And another absolutely lovely box. Oh, look at this lovely box. Which again, I mean, you can never have too many boxes. Oh my gosh, look at this lovely box inside. Oh, wow, thank you so much. I love border stamps. Oh, that's that nest that was on one of your stamps. One of your tags. Thank you very much. I like this one too. Oh, it's lovely. Thank you. Oh, I love this. That's nice, isn't it? That's lovely. Lovely fabric, sheer fabric. Oh, I love this. What's this? Kind of some sort of upholstery kind of, oh, that's so rich. And I was wondering about doing a kind of, you know, costumes through the ages. So if I did ever do that, it may be too monstrous to kind of do that. I'd have to kind of narrow it down, obviously, and just concentrate on one or two. But this definitely would be great for kind of medieval. That's lovely. Wow. And I have a couple of books here too. Oh my gosh, look at this lovely book. The Standard Book of British and American Verse. Wow, that is such a lovely, lovely book. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, this is from 1932, would you believe? Isn't this a beautiful book? Oh my gosh, look. Oh, I love poetry. Oh, I love this. Wow. I am going to be using this and using it, I'm sure. Thank you so much. What a beautiful, beautiful book. That is absolutely lovely. Thank you. What's this? America Visited. I can't read what that says. Dickens, Thackeray and others, I think it says. Oh, another gorgeous, really old, lovely book. I mean, look at this lovely page. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow, I don't know when this is dated. I can't see a date on it, but I mean, these things are super old. I'm sure it can't be that old, but look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous book. That is so lovely. Oh, thank you very much. They are lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you, Laura. I'm literally speechless. Wow, I can't even express my gratitude. That's just immense, and you've made my day. Thank you so much. And now I've got a lovely gift from your mum, which, wow, how amazing and generous and lovely of her too. So, again, another gorgeous box that I will be using to store stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, thank you so much. It's that lovely Tim Holtz tiny stapler. Oh, I have to see how I use it, and I assume I use it like this, but thank you very, 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 very much. And look. Oh, thank you very much. Extra staples for that. That is, wow, beyond generous. Thank you so much. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. Thank you so much. Did your mum actually knit these? They are fantastic, and I love that great big crochet flower. Thank you very, very much. Oh my gosh, what are these? Wow, gorgeous beads and things. Wow, thank you very, very much. That's just incredibly generous. Oh my, oh look. These are such awesome hats. I just absolutely love them, and I love these flowers. I can't believe this. And again, green. I don't know whether I've actually said that green is my favourite colour in kind of my videos before, but got it spot on because I love green. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh, thank you so, so, so much. I'm just now trying them on. Just trying them on now. Oh my gosh, thank you very, very, very much. That fits perfectly, would you believe? That is so brilliant. Thank you ever so, ever so, ever so much. Wow. That is so, so, so kind. I can't believe it. Thank you very, very, very much. Oh, so clever. Wow, thank you very much, Laura and Laura's mum. You have literally made my day, and literally I'm overwhelmed by your generosity once again. So thank you ever so much. I'm going to go and have a look in slow time. Thank you very much.